or go to math.com, click on calculus, go to continuity, one-sided limits, and we are looking at a piecewise defined function, it looks to me like. And we got, let's see here, jot down some numbers real quick. That's x plus 7 and 7, 7, 7. Okay. Let's move over to the whiteboard. We have, I'm going to write this how you traditionally see a piecewise function written. Big curly brace here. We have x, and then its domain is x is greater than 7, and then we have x plus 1, and we've got its domain is x is less than or equal to 7. We want to find the limit as x approaches 7 coming in from the right hand side of f of x. All right. Well, if we're coming in from the right hand side, we're going to want to use this one right here, because this says all x values greater than 7. So really we could rewrite this limit as x approaches 7 coming in from the right hand side of x. All right. This says all x values less than or equal to 7. We can't use this particular one here, but let's sketch out the graph and see what we got. It really helps to look at a picture. There's no doubt about it. Alright, try to draw a straight line. Okay, so we'll say that 7 is right here. This is all x values greater than 7, and when we plug 7 in to this function, let's just do that down here. F of 7 is equal to, now we can't use this one, okay, because what does this say? This says x value is greater than 7, so we'll have to use this one down here. So this is 7 plus 1 is 8. Alright, so we're going to go up here. We'll say 8 is right here. Okay, and this says all x values less than or equal to 7. And we're looking at a graph that's going to look something like that, we'll say. Alright, this is supposed to be crossing a 1 down here, but anyway. Okay, so this is this part of the graph. And then how do we know where we can actually start? We could just go ahead and plug 7 into this. Actually, I need to put 8 right there so we know where we're at. And then I'm going to put what is it? We'll put 7 right here, whether it belongs there or not. And then this is going to be an open circle, and they both have a slope of 1, so we better put them pretty parallel to each other. So this is going to end up being this graph right here, as you can see. Okay, now that really helps out because we can take a look at this and say we're coming in from the right hand side. Right, so we're going to end up using this, obviously, like I said, all x values greater than 7, but where is this guy located? And what we could possibly do here is, of course, you could just do direct substitution, plugging 7 directly in, and you obviously get 7 out, but we got to be careful about that. Alright, you could take some numbers like 7.001. Alright, plug it in. You can kind of see where it's converging towards 7. But you could do just the direct substitution, plugging that in, and getting our number out. So, but it helps to kind of sketch the graph out so you can definitely see what is definitely going on there. Okay, right, 7. There you go. Okay, and of course, if we hit the answer, we get 7 down there. All right, well, see you there. Bye.